Sock Monkey Rides Again, written by C.C. Bell. Yee-haw! Sock Monkey rides again. One day, Sock Monkey, the famous toy actor, received a very important phone call. Hello? You're wanted for the part of Red Reardon in our singing cowboy movie, Hubbub at the Happy Canyon Hoedown. You get to yodel and ride a horse and lasso a cow and kiss the leading lady. Kiss a girl? Filming starts tomorrow. Sock Monkey didn't want to kiss a girl, but he did want to be a star. Sure, he had acted in other movies, but those were very small roles. Sock Monkey is dwarf number 8 in Princess Snowy and Friends. Sock Monkey is hapless victim in Jawsy Strikes Yet Again. And Sock Monkey is Chew Toy in Sassy Go Home. This movie was the chance of a lifetime. Kiss or no kiss, he had to play Red Reardon. Sock Monkey is Red Reardon in Hubbub at the Happy Canyon Hoedown. Sock Monkey had to get busy and prepare. He called his friends and asked for them to help. Yodel? Sure! Ride a horse? Of course! Lasso a cow? And how? And I'll help with your costume. I'm back in the saddle again. Yodel-a-hee-hoo! To show Sock Monkey how to yodel, Miss Bun took him on a crazy airplane ride. She played cowboy music while flying loop-de-loops. Next, Froggy gave Sock Monkey a horseback riding lesson. Froggy's horse, Stardust, was thrilled to be helping such a famous actor. Giddy up! Yee-haw! Stardust in Hubbub at the Happy Canyon Hoedown. Get along, little piggy! And Blue Pig dressed like a cow, then ran around and around until Sock Monkey got good enough with the lasso to catch him. Sock Buddy lent Sock Monkey one of his many sensational cowboy outfits, then helped him get all decked out. Woo-wee! I'll say, have a cupcake. Sock Monkey was ready to begin making his movie. Almost. What about the big kiss? Miss Bun says, can't help you there. Froggy says, you're on your own. Sock Buddy says, Blue Pig says, sure wish I could help. They don't know how to help him. The next day, Sock Monkey arrived on the set of Hubbub at the Happy Canyon Hoedown. He met the director, a very loud man. Hello there! Then he met Lulu Nevada, the actress he was supposed to kiss. Howdy! She's kind of cute. Uh-oh. Sock Monkey tried to talk to the director about the big kiss, but... Mr. Director? Places! Action! The filming had begun. El Rancho Sacco. Sock Monkey aced all his scenes. He yodeled melodious and rode his horse handsomely, and lassoed the cow skillfully. Everything was going great. Happy trails to you. Sock Monkey wobbled in his boots as he walked over to his trailer. His friends had prepared a delicious lunch for him, but Sock Monkey couldn't eat. Lunch break! Next scene, the big kiss. Oh, he is stressed. Come and get it. Not even a cupcake? Oh, poor sock monkey can't eat. He's so nervous. His friends were so nice to make him lunch and a cupcake. Finally, it was time to film the big kiss. When I'm calling you, Sock Monkey and Lulu began to sing. Will you answer moo? And inch closer and closer together. Lulu leaned in towards Sock Monkey. I can't do it. I think you hurt Lulu's feelings. You should apologize. And quickly. Sock Buddy says, give her a cupcake. OSM. That stands for Sock Monkey. Sock Monkey shuffled over to Lulu and apologized. I'm so sorry. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Won't you have a cupcake? Some. But no matter what he said, Lulu wept and wept. I didn't mean to. Sniffle. Sock Monkey felt terrible. He realized there was only one thing he could do. Smack! Sock Monkey kissed Lulu right on the cheek. Cut! That's perfect, says the director. He did it. He gave Lulu a kiss. The filming was over, and the kiss wasn't all that bad. Sock Monkey and Lulu would both be stars. We're all done. It's a wrap. Yee-haw! Oh, gosh. Oh, look at him. The end. That was Sock Monkey Rides Again by C.C. Bell.